Welcome to ProBuilder Concrete Estimator. In this first video, I'll walk you through the basics of setting up your project. Let's start with customer information. Enter your customer's business name, contact name, street address, city, postal code, phone number, and email. This information will appear on all your quotes, invoices, and contracts. Below that is the project address. This is where the job site is located. Enter the street, city, and postal code. Next is contractor information. That's you. Enter your company name, address, phone, and email. You only need to enter this once. ProBuilder saves it for all future projects. On the right side, you'll see the project cost summary. This updates automatically as you enter your takeoff data. You can set your profit margin percentage, select your tax region, and see your totals calculate in real time. Below that are two important sections. Mileage and truck rental lets you enter your distance to the job site, fuel costs, number of trips, and any truck rental fees. ProBuilder calculates your total travel costs automatically. Beside that is equipment rental. Enter any equipment you need: pumps, power trowels, scaffolding, with the number of days and daily rate. The totals add directly to your project cost. That's the foundation of every estimate. In the next video, we'll cover footings and walls.